Could this be the death of funnel builders? I'm sorry for being dramatic, but that is a serious question. I am about to show you in this week's update something crazy which saved my client hundreds, if not thousands of dollars on getting a funnel built using AI. Okay, if you don't know me, I'm John Robinson. I help membership sites get members and keep members using AI, and I am on a mission to build my own membership site from scratch with zero budget, zero audience, using AI, and I'm documenting the whole thing. And in this update, I'm going to show you how I help the client, not my membership, but help the client's membership with AI to build a awesome landing page for his membership. So we started with this one, right? This is his always open. In my strategy, I teach having an always open page and a sometimes closed page, right? Basically, this is on his website, what you're looking at now, and people can join at any time. And then occasionally we run limited time offers, which basically means the doors are closing, right? And that would have some kind of urgency and bonus. So we started with this page, right? I'm not going to make you read it all, but just look at the layout of it. I mean, the writing is important, but this page, one important note is that this page was never really intended to get signups. It's more a strategic ploy to anchor the price so that when the offers do come along, people see the discounted price and they prefer to join at the lower rate. Okay, but of course some people do join on this page. So you can see it says, you know, like, stop speaking like a child in French, when you know you're capable of so much more. Okay, are you tired of this and this? Okay, well, you're not alone. It's not your fault. Introducing the foundation program, first step to becoming a confident French speaker. Okay, I'm not going to try and say that. Something about grammar courses, and you get a supportive community, the program, and pragmatical approach. This is what it'll do. This is how it works, right? And then, are you ready to get started? Join for just €1 a day. You can have the monthly plan or the annual plan. Okay, for those who've tried everything. If you're thinking this might be my last chance to master French, well, you're in the right place. Okay, so honestly, like, nothing special here. Like, you can tell this was just built by a normal website, a normal business owner, not a professional, right? Yes, obviously the copy was helped to be written with AI, as most people are using AI nowadays to do. So the copy's pretty good. It's better than beginner standard for sure, right? But the page looks possibly quite beginnerish. You know, you might agree. So here's the goal, the cool thing. Yeah, I'll show you the page first. Look at this. This is much better, right? Isn't it? This is more like something you would get off a professional funnel builder. I don't know how much this would cost. You could probably get quotes on Fiverr for a couple of hundred, and you can definitely pay agencies thousands. Obviously, if you were to pay agencies thousands, it would be better than this, let's be honest. There would be a lot more design in it. But the content and the design of this was all made using AI, in specifically a custom AI bot I built for my client. So if you've not seen my other videos, I teach a method of creating your own custom bots. I like to use Poe. You can use any platform you want that allows you to build bots. So here we have the create bot feature inside of Poe. I selected a prompt type bot. Okay, give it a picture, a name, a description, and I built it on Claude 3.5 Sonnet. So this is the engine behind the bot, right? I gave it a prompt telling it that it's an experienced copywriter and he works for this company, and the main product is the CFSC. It helps intermediate French learners gain confidence. Okay, I tell it about the knowledge base I'll give it. I tell it how I want it to respond, and I tell it a bit more about how I want it to respond and what tasks I want it to do, and I tell it its #1 goal. Okay, and give it a few more specifics. And then I add the knowledge base, right? So the knowledge base has information about our clients' avatars and offers, right? It has information about the sales page. There seems to be one. Oh, yeah, I thought there was one missing. There's this marketing message and angles update. So we refined our marketing message, taking the old copy and updating it to give us the new copy. And then these are transcripts of Alex's talking voice so that we can have the AI write in his natural speaking style, okay? And there's a lot of that. So if you're not familiar, the way to get AI bots to talk like you is to give it a lot of content of you talking. So we built the bot, and then we got chatting. And I basically, you can see here, it's given, where did that go? It's giving me the colors, the font, the sizing, the padding, and everything. I asked it, I just want to know, are all the CTA buttons identical? You're right, the FAQs must provide confidence. We should also try to mention what happens, how do we cancel, things like that. I was trying to find a quote where I basically just said, oh, here we go, we did this section already. Here's the full page so far. I gave it the updated page. Please note the formatting is only done for mobile at the minute. We'll do the desktop formatting once we're finished. So I got the bot to give me all of the sections, all of the copy, right? This is all the copy here, all the writing to put on the page. And then it kept track of what we've done so far. And then I asked it for like formatting and colors and sizes and all that kind of design elements. I just said that. I just said give me the designing and format elements, and it guided me from start to finish to create this page for my client. Which I'm not a funnel builder. I know the theories behind it, but I don't have the skill. I haven't done thousands of hours of practice building funnels, right? And I'm not a graphic designer, so this is epic. If you agree, you might be as amazed as I was. This took me about maybe 2 full days working on it. So while a lot of people promise that AI gets you like things done faster and it saves you time, this did take time, but it's worth it. As you can see, compared to this, I mean, at least in the design, but when you read it as well, it's so much more compelling. So this page will potentially get us a lot more signups. I know it's not a apple-to-apple comparison because this page also includes a trial and a discount. Okay, so I'll give you the results once if I get permission off my client, once the promotion's over, and I'll show you the results. If not, I'll put it in my free community. If you're not a member, you can join that. 30-day free trial, discounted price, okay, with the deadline. So this page will obviously convert more, but let's see the main comparison after a few days. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. Go make a custom bot, get it to help you write and design your funnels instead of, well, or you could pay somebody. I don't want to put anybody out of work. And obviously if you pay a lot of money, you're going to get a better job than this, and you won't lose 2 days building it. But yeah, for those of you who don't have the money or want to do it yourself, you might not have known this was possible. So thanks for watching. If you want to join the free community and follow along with me building my membership, obviously I'm doing the same thing now with my website, so I'll share that with you when that's updated, and you can get all the other things which are working and what's not, and real, authentic, honest, in the trenches reality of building a membership from scratch and how I'm doing it. You can join the free community for that. All right, thanks for watching. Go and check out another video or join the community. Speak soon. Bye.